Good afternoon, everyone, and it was a pretty nice one out there. We did hit the 40-degree mark here in Billings a little earlier, 40 degrees in Great Falls as well. Again, basically that warm corridor just to the east of the Continental Divide has to do with the winds. We see where the warming has occurred over the course of the day today, and then we get a look at those winds. We can see out of the southwest, pretty breezy and even gusty in certain places, again, to the east of the divide. Pattern we've seen quite a bit in the last little bit here, and that means slightly warmer temperatures in those areas. Now here's what's coming our ways. Look at the satellite and radar. We can see that westerly movement. We can see some of this precipitation in the western, especially northwestern portion of the state, a little bit in the northeast there as well, but this is all really light stuff for the most part. To me, this looks a little scattered and messy is how I would describe it. Moisture coming in, but no great forcing anywhere to produce widespread precipitation. Here's what we're looking at. We've got that high pressure system and the low pressure system working together to create those gusty winds, and that stationary front there is kind of going to act like a bit of a border over the next couple of days. We see that low pressure system forming up over the Pacific. That's going to trek to the south and east with that trough up on top of it there. It's going to bring in some more moisture, but again, not a really deep or well-formed system producing widespread storms. We get again, kind of this messy stuff up in the trough there, and that stationary front stays basically right where it is, and that holds that moisture that is coming over in the western half of the state. We could see a little bit here of it in Billings, but we would represent basically the far eastern border. Everything to the west of that, seeing a little bit more of that snow. Taking a look at the almanac, we did get up to that 42-degree temperature today, likely one of the warmer days in the next little bit, as we will expect those temperatures to drop off as we head towards Christmas.